Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up dividend reinvestment on Vanguard. First, you will need to log into your Vanguard account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. This central hub provides an overview of all your investments. If you have multiple accounts, select the specific one where you wish to enable dividend reinvestment for your holdings. Next, you will need to find the reinvestment settings within your chosen account. Look for a section labeled My Accounts or Profile and Settings on the Vanguard website. Within this area, you should find account information or dividends and capital gains. This is where you can customize how your investment distributions, like dividends, are managed. Once you are in the correct section, you will see options for how to handle your dividends. By default, they might be set to cash. To enable automatic reinvestment, select the Reinvest Dividends option for each eligible security you own. Carefully review the list to confirm that all your desired stocks, mutual funds, or ETFs are chosen for reinvestment. After making your selections, Vanguard will present a confirmation page summarizing your choices. It is important to review this page carefully to ensure everything is accurate before finalizing. Your changes will generally take effect for the next scheduled dividend payment. This no-fee program helps you leverage compounding, allowing your investments to grow by purchasing more shares automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.